kids! Today we are going to be drawing and colouring a crab. We're starting by drawing the eyes, 2 circles, sticks just like lollipops, the pupils. Right, now for the body. Sideways oval shape. Now going for the claws. 1 on each side. Brilliant. A smile. And let's go for 3 legs on each side. Bit of decoration. And then we'll thicken up the border. Almost there. Get ready for some colouring. Okay, let's go for red. Crabs can be different colours, and we're doing a red one. Use your imagination. So today we're painting, but you can choose however you wish to colour in your crab. A slightly thin-tipped paintbrush because we've got to go delicately in between the back lines and around those little oval markings there. And the mouth, of course. Do you know how many different species of crabs there are? There are more than 4,500. Whoa, that's a lot of crabs. Most of them live by the coast, obviously. And did you know that they're super old? They showed up during the Jurassic period. That's when dinosaurs were around 200 million years ago. You can get teeny tiny little crabs that are ½ an inch long, or you can get huge crabs with 12 feet between its claws, like the Japanese spider crab. They have this hard, what we call an exoskeleton, and it protects the soft tissue underneath. And did you know that crabs walk and swim sideways? They eat meat and plants, so they're omnivores. Now we've almost finished painting in the legs and the upper half of the body. You'll see why we've left the bottom half empty. Because of this, we're going to paint it orange. It gives a lovely two-tone effect and kind of looks like the crab's tummy since it's a slightly different colour. It's these subtle things that make a big difference, you know. And just sort of blurring it in a bit. There. We're going purple for the eyes. And there we have it.
Subscribe and watch more. Chiki Art!